Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining in today. Today I'm going to make a couple of dishes, both of which I'm going to upload on YouTube shortly. The first dish I'm showing you is urad dal or the white lentil, also called mash ki dal. It's a simple recipe. It is my second favorite lentil. The important thing about this lentil is because very few spices are used in making of this lentil, so it retains its own earthy flavor. You can't eat this lentil or perhaps will not enjoy it very much if you eat it on its own because of its own flavor, no spices in it. So it's usually used as an accompaniment to some other dish. Today I'm going to have it with do pyaza, which I'm going to upload on the video shortly. You can have it with bhuna, korma, you can have it with bhindi bhaji, or you can have it with brinjal, or accompaniment with aloo gosht or other curries and also other bhajis. So I've taken 100 grams of white lentil. I washed it and rinsed it. I'm going to put some water in it. The important thing about this lentil is the consistency, how much water you need to put in. So I have put in enough water, it's boiling water, to be about 1.5 centimeters or 2 centimeters above the surface of the lentil, which is just under an inch. I'm going to cook this on medium heat. Into the lentil I'm also putting salt according to your taste, some cumin seeds, white cumin seeds, about half a teaspoonful. I have got 2 whole dry red chilies, one of which I'm going to crush in my hand. So it's slightly broken, doesn't have to be, because this is going to give it some spice. And the second one I'm putting as a whole. And that is all the spices we need to put in it. I'm going to put this on the side. While it's cooking, we are going to make the garnish for this. For the garnish, I have taken tablespoonful of pure ghee. You can take cooking oil if you don't have ghee and put some little bit of butter in it to give it better, deeper taste. Going to heat this. Into the ghee, I'm putting 1 finely chopped sliced onion, which was a large onion. Got half a teaspoonful of cumin seeds and 1 whole dry red chili. I'm going to cook this until my onions are golden brown. In the meantime, my dal is still cooking and it will take about 20-25 minutes for it to cook. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. As you can see, a bit of froth appears on top of the dal after 5-10 minutes, and I suggest what you do, just with a spoon take away the froth, otherwise that will sit on top of the lentil in the end and won't look very pretty. This is just the starch from the lentil, nothing bad in it. The rest will mix up in there. So my garnish is ready. Onions are nice and golden brown. I can smell the lovely smell of the ghee in there as well. So I'm going to swap the stove. This can be switched off. As you can see, my dal, the water is almost gone from the surface. There is some water underneath. Just going to see how firm or soft it is. Still got a bit of a crunch in it. So it needs another 10 minutes. But the last 10 minutes, I'm going to cover it with the lid and turn the heat down. And I'm going to check it every 5 minutes just to make sure the consistency of the lentil is just right. It should not be firm, it should not be very mushy. You should be able to see the grains separately, and but still should be very soft. So you don't know, it's not chewy. So let's have a look. It's been cooking on very low heat. with the lid on top. Let's check the consistency of the dal. As you see, there is no water left underneath. Yeah, it's all done. It's not chewy. It's still got its texture there. You can see every grain separately, and it is done. So what I'm going to do is going to put the garnish on top, and it is ready to serve. So do try this. Don't eat too much of it because it's very rich in amino acids, so it gives you a bit of windiness in the tummy. You feel a bit bloated afterwards. So use it as an accompaniment with some other dish as I explained earlier. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Until next time.